favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you look perfect.
Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Rachel back with another video. So this is another bridal look. So today I went with a very rosy, blushy, pink makeup look. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe down below and hit that like button. That way I know you guys are liking my videos. So if you want to see how we got this look, keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to be starting off with the eyes. I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to take the Mercier Flawless Fusion concealer and put this down on my lids as a primer. Then I'm just going to set them where the shadows don't move. Okay. I am going to be going into the Modern Renaissance palette, taking the shade Bone Fresco, just to kind of lay down as a nice transition. Next, I am going to lightly take the shade Love Letter and put that along my crease as well. Next, I am going to take Cypress Umber and put that on the outer edge. And I'm going to add a little bit of the Venetian Red mixed with a hint of Love Letter. Place that on top of it as well. Going back in with Love Letter, I want to intensify the crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to take a base. I'm going to use this 24-hour tattoo color stick in Pink Parfait. Taking a little shader brush, coat it on the brush and put it on the lid where I want. Then from the Naked 3 palette, I'm going to take the shades Dust and Buzz, the two shimmery pink shades, and just mix them and place them on my eye. Right over that base that we put down. Now to blend those edges together, I'm going to take that Venetian Red and Love Letter again and press. Now for liner, I'm going to go a little bit in. I'm just going to create a line straight across using my Pretty Vulgar liner. You can do a wing liner, or you can do just a little flat line. That is what I'm going to do today. I absolutely love this liner. I never thought I'd be someone to go with a brush, but now it's all I've been doing. Mascara, I'm going to go with the Lancôme Monsieur Big. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and zoom these out, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now that the eyes are done, we're moving on to the face. So the first, I'm going to use a primer. I am going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence Drops. It'll give us a good tacky base for our face products to stick to. For foundation, I am going to go in with the Dior Airflash. Son of a bitch. Okay. I just lost about most of this, so I'll be repurchasing it. Damn it! Anyways, going in with my foundation. There we go. You can either put it on a brush or a sponge. I do either or. This is just what I'm thinking of right now. And it depends what kind of coverage you want to go for. Going back in with that concealer. Oh, this is really light. Okay. We're going to be highlighted today. Because I forgot. These are my lighter shades. Luckily, this blends out like a dream. But it's good to be highlighted in the center of your face. Now I'm just going to set that powder. I'm using the Hourglass Vanishing Veil, whatever it is, powder. And I am just pressing it into the skin. At least pressing it in my under eyes. Then I'm just going to wipe it. I'm going to dust it everywhere else in just a minute. But I really want my under eyes to look nice and smooth, as well as where I place concealer. And just going in with a big fluffy brush. I don't know how I feel about this powder, because when I do flash photography, it doesn't show, but I feel like I almost have like an ashy tone in my skin. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Next, I'm going to go into the bronzer, as you all know, my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to contour and bronze. I've kind of been into this lately, as it's one less step I have to do later. I'm going to go with the highlighter first. Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. This highlighter I just feel like is gorgeous with rose tone looks, because it's like that champagne-y peachy look color. Okay. And then for blush, I am going to go with the Marc Jacobs Airbrush Blush and Kink and Kisses. Gonna add a little bit of that highlight on the inner corner and my brow bone. And we're gonna finish up the lower lash line. So going back in with the Anastasia palette. And I'm going to go right into Love Letter. Taking a little bit of Venetian Red and Cypress Umber and just focusing on the outer portion. Go. Finish it off with mascara. I'm going to add in a little bit of this champagne colored pinky liner by Physicians Formula. I have to get a new one. This one's seen its day. But I think it's a really pretty color. I think I want to add a little bit of glitter to the top, a little bit more. I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metal in King Karma. I'm going to place it on a flat shader brush. I can find where I put it. There it is. A little bit of that. Much better. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Color Jolt and Strip Down. I haven't used this in a while, and I know I used to love it, and I think it's going to pair nicely with this look. And this completes the finished look. So, hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!